Hello everyone, this is Maureen and welcome to My Crochet Story, where I share with you two things that I love, teaching and crochet. Now, I know that this video is getting up just a little bit late on Wednesday, but folks, I've been working really hard to get this little project finished so that I could show it to you today. And I mean, I just finished like 2 minutes ago. Just took enough time to set up my camera so I could jump on and get this video uploaded for you. Now, before I show you my completed project, let me say thank you and welcome to all of you that have stopped in to see what I have for this Amigurumi Wednesday. And if you're new to my channel, special welcome to you. I hope that you enjoy watching the video all the way to the end. And if you do, take just a moment to look at all the other content that's on my channel, and I hope that you like what you see, because if you do, hit that little subscribe button down there in the corner, and then look for the bell with the little hugs on the sides, what I like to call them, and it'll notify you every time I put up some content. Alright, so I've been showing you some of my Christmas projects. Most of them have been amigurumis for my grandkids that I'm doing this year. And so I have finally completed the last amigurumi project anyway for my great-grandson. Now let me see if I can get these positioned just right because I want to show you them all together. I did this a minute ago, just a sec. Come here, you little goobers. Come here, you little goobers. Where's the other one? Oh, there he is. Okay. So I'm going to show them to you all together. They are all identical. And then I'll take one and let you see him. Okay, you ready? Alright. There they are, folks. Little Ninja Turtles. Now don't ask me, let's see. Don't ask me who is who, but we have one that's Michelangelo, one that's Raphael, one that is that one, and that one. Yes. I guess I should have looked them up, folks. I'm sorry. But we have one that's red. We have one that's purple. Now, this one might have looked red, but he is orange, I promise you. And then this one here is blue. Now, I'm going to pick back up this orange one because he seems to show up a little bit better. Alrighty, so the only modifications I made were, it has safety eyes, but I decided to just do some small little threaded eyes because this is going to my great-grandson, and, you know, just didn't want to have to worry about him pulling them out and that kind of thing. The other thing I did was the little sash here, she had it tied in the back, and if you know anything about karate and all that kind of stuff, their sashes are tied in the front. So, and I did go and look at a little cartoon to see where those sashes were, and sure enough, they are tied in the front. But anyway, I did have to use some slightly different colors than what she suggested, but I think they all turned out just as cute. Hers was a bright yellow belly and a darker green, which I matched for the little shell on the back. And other than that, folks, they were very easy to make. They really were. But having to do 4 of them, I will suggest that anyone who does this pattern, I would suggest that you go ahead and do all 4 heads, all 4 bodies, all 4 pairs of arms, all 4, you know, you get the idea. Just go ahead and make it, do your little assembly line, get all your pieces ready together, and then you can just, I mean, because honestly, the longest time it takes, it's not putting them all together, it's making all the pieces. So, as I said, I wanted to pop on and get these out there to you just as quickly as I could. They have been a joy to make. Will I make another set? Not anytime soon, because it's taking me constant working a good 3 days, folks. A good 3 days. And that's with having to stop and, you know, take the dogs out. run some errands and everything. So I'm thinking that if I hadn't had to leave this room, probably could have got them done in 2 or 1.5. But life happens. There's other things that, get in the way. So it was a good 3, maybe even 4 days that it took for me to work on these. So the only other thing I have to show you today is I came up with a cute little amigurumi project that will be my own creation. Now, I'm going to show you the colors that I'm going to use, and you might get just a little glimmer of an idea of what it might be from the colors, but what in the world would I make that's amigurumi out of these 3 colors? Maybe you can leave me your guess down in the comments. So these are my 3 colors. Here we go. Getting any ideas? Huh? If you have any ideas, like I said, leave them for me down in the comment box. Now, I will leave a link to the pattern that I used for these little, excuse me, turn around, for these little Ninja Turtles, and that way if you would like to go and look at it and purchase it, then you'll have what you need to do your own Ninja Turtles. So that's all I have for you this evening. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it out, because I'm sure somebody else might like to see Ninja Turtles and have the pattern or the ability to go and look it up without having to do too much searching. Okay, folks, until next time, please be the light out there in the darkness for someone today, because you never know, could be your light that they need to see. I love you all. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.